In Six Sigma, making decisions based on data is a core principle. This is important because decisions made with opinions or guessing can lead to the wrong changes. It can also waste time and effort, or overlook the real problem. Six Sigma encourages teams to focus on what the data shows. This helps them understand what is truly happening in a process, based on evidence, not assumptions. So, how does data help with decision-making? There are many ways data can support decision-making, but here are 4 key benefits to get you started. It shows how a process is currently performing. It helps find where variation or problems are happening. It highlights which issues should be solved first. It tracks whether changes lead to real improvements. This principle is especially important in the D-Make framework. For example, in the measure phase, data helps establish a baseline. In the analyze phase, it's used to pinpoint root causes. And in the control phase, data helps verify that improvements are sustained. When teams rely on accurate data, they can make confident, fact-based decisions that lead to better, more lasting results. This approach builds trust in the process and helps teams make changes that truly stick.